kumana na riendekithia ria mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto riakorirwo akiandikithia tariki 30 mweriini wa itandatu mwaka uyu na kuria augire no nginya thukuru ciothe cirumirire riendekithia riu. Mwandiki witu ti wa Njohi kana ti Chege wa Njohi ena riboti ino makiria.
Univasiti cia thirikari guku bururi-ini ni ciambiriirie kugathika motungata mao mutamboini wa thirikari wa ecitizen kumana na riendekithia ria nginya riria riaheanirwo ni mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto tariki 30 mweri-ini wa gatandatu mwaka-ini uyu ita njira ya gutacukia ikinya ria gutwara bururi hari uthii wa nambere na njira ya kuhuthira mitambo ya kiriu.
Now, just to begin, we are all aware that the government is moving digital. His Excellency the President, on the launch of ecitizen platform on 30th of June, directed that all government institutions, whether universities, whether parastatals, have to comply with the migration from their relevant, from many other systems they are in to the ecitizen platform.
Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria giikaro kia atongoria a thukuru cia university mwena wa Mlolongo, mwandiki mukaru motungata-ini ma thirikari Professor Julius Bitok augite ati itua ria kuma tirilioni
but we have projected with the help of Treasury to collect 4.5 trillion to be able to
na watho.
And I'm happy to note that by yesterday we are in the process of closing the remaining
The
objective is to enhance service delivery. We want service delivery to be enhanced. Two, we want to enhance revenue collection. The third reason why we are encouraging this platform is because we want to eliminate corruption. We realize that there are so many leakages, and the government is we're also going to create quite a number of job opportunities.
Thirikari riu ni kuhota gukinyia motungata mayo matura-ini mothe guku bururi-ini unyitaniri-ini na kambuni citiganite ta Safaricom na bengi ya KCB, na riu bururi ugukorwo rugendo-ini rwa ukuria na uthii wa
This is what we are calling Gavam Kononi. It's going to be rolled to every village, and we are using M-Pesa model. And we have partnered with Safaricom, Airtel, KCB, Equity, and we are going to roll out what we call Gava Express. That is express booths in every village to ensure that government services are available in every village.
Andu-ini ha Muthingi TV riakwa ni Chege wa Njohi.
With the digital transformation, we shall be able to transform the country. We shall be able to provide service in a more efficient way.